So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about unpivot data in Power Query, how we can do that. So for that we have a sales by year data, like we have a sales span here, region here and some product. We will put in product here like ice cream, and then we will put your cookies, and then we will be cakes. So we have certain products here and we have a sales here, and which is according to the years. I will just increase size here, so I will just select here and just double click. So this is our sales. I just make it data a little bit bold so it is more clearer. So this is our data here, which include our salesmen and their sales. And what we need to do, we need to find out year wise what is like this is our years, like there are many years, like we are from till 2021 and it start from your year 2020. So 21 years data we have, and now we want to convert it into pivot table. But if we will do it in a simple pivot table, simple way, like if we will do it here, if you, I think you know about pivot table. If you have not known about it, you can see our other earlier videos. So if I will go to pivot table and convert it into pivot table, the problem with this is that we have to take the salesman and step by step we have to take all sales. This is 21, this is less, but if the case is like we have 500 years, 500 data, 100 data, then it's a difficult thing. So it will take a lot of time. So to save time, and in corporate world we do not do this like this. So what we will do in that case, what we will do, we will go to data and then we will go to from tables. We convert this all data into table, so then data will be converted into a table, and now we have all our data here in our Power Query editor. So in this Power Query editor we will give this a name also. Suppose we will give this a name, data sales by years. We will give it a name, sales by years, and now we have data here. So what we will do here, we can select this control salesman, then region, and then product. So what we are doing is we will make all this data in one column only, like sales 1, sales 2, sales 3, sales, and then we will use our pivot table. So this is the best practices like we can do, and to save time and to make it more refined data, so that we can do it's used for more analysis and for finding the reports in better way. So after clicking on all this, I will click right arrow key from my keyboard and say unpivot other columns. Other columns means here means like sales of 2000, 2001 till 2022. So I will go and get a unpivot other column. So all our columns will be unpivoted, like this one and this sales also. So this all our columns are unpivoted now. So what we need to do now, we go here in our home tab again and say close and load. So now we have data in another sheet, and where we have all the sales in one column and all the values in one column. Now we can use it for pivot table, and it's very easy now. So we will go insert, then we will go pivot table, from table range, new worksheet. We will take a new worksheet here, and now I will take salesman, and then I will go to attributes. Attributes, we can change the name also. If you want to change the name, we can change the name also. So I will go here, I will just remove this. First of all I will remove this, delete this, and I will change the name also. Like we have a data here, so I will edit this query. If you want to change the name, I will edit this query, and here I will give a name, double click and give YEARS years. So I will change its name, and here I will also change the name here, sales, and then I will close and load again, and now we will make it for pivot table use. So here I will click insert, then I will go to pivot table. From table it will select all our table, then I will go to OK. so no new sheet will appear, and here we can make the sales, and then I will go to years, and then I will click on sales also, and this is our like sales, whatever sales we have. So this is better way of showing our report in a one way. Instead of finding it and different sheet, we can do it in a one way, and this is also a great way of, or if you want to make more change in that, we can click over this and go to pivot fields list, and now we can take our year salesman, and we can take salesman in a column. So this is better way of showing our report. So we have a salesman and we have their sales also. So now we can have a better way of finding the sale. We can convert this into chart also. If we'll go there and we will make a chart, pivot chart, and that's the way we are finding a chart. Like we can take it a bar chart also and press OK. So this is our bar chart. This is showing sales by years, so it is increasing year by year. So that's the better practices of using our data and to show in a report. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much.